All right, everyone. So, welcome to our weekly review session. So, we will be going over your progress, challenges, and wins. So, this is the chance, like we all know, we get to know what you have been doing for the week, what you have learned for this week, your challenges, how you overcome those challenges, or if you need help, and what you are proud of this week from all the things you have learned. What is the one that each time you remember it is to sweet your body and everything? So let's start from JSTEC. So what did you achieve this week?
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my coordinator. I won't say I didn't achieve anything throughout this week though, because I was more of doing researching about my course outline to get, and I was still trying to navigate around the site because I think the site had more and lots of pop-up ads, and then lots of redirecting sites that is not actually taking me to where I actually want to be. You get, and so I just have
Okay.
to create an account readily. Then after doing that, I had to go back and then look for where we have to look for an activity that will make me start my course. So I think it
Okay.
took me like I think a day before I could actually see the UI UX design and course and introduction course. But I didn't want to venture into it now so that I won't have break days because public holiday coming up Monday and Tuesday. I supposed to have finished my exams that day, those 2 days. But because of the public holiday, I think I'll have to start writing these exams on Wednesday. So I just want to make sure that I just clear up those exams before I now start properly to avoid any distraction and pitches.
Okay, that is a good one. At least you have made a step
Okay.
to just set up your environment so that once your exam is out, you can start. That is still a progress, which is also nice because I know you told me about
I'll
you
just
having
kickstart immediately.
that is understandable. At least that feedback will help us understand where we are currently and to look out for what
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
doing next year. Thank you so much for that. So let's move over to Solomon.
Okay.
Good day, Alf. Hmm? Good day, everyone.
Good day, Solomon.
Okay, um my week this week subject matter was cool. I did a whole lot of research and I did a whole lot of development. So I had this application I did and I used it as a physical internship for rehearsing what I've learned so far by theory and some others by video. So this week I studied about negotiation, selling of deals, and a whole lot of stuff, creating business plans and stuff like that. So I had little complications, but I was more clearer when I talked with my assigned mentor. So I, after long calls and long voice notes, she explained everything to me perfectly well. So I would say this week I did a whole lot and I successfully understood how to negotiate and how to create a better business plan. So as I know as time goes on in the field, I will be able to create more professional business plans and
Wow.
become a better strategist. So
I'm
thank you.
I'm super happy for it. Like I'm like see the way I'm smiling ear to ear. Like I'm so happy for that. And also hearing that your mentor was a great help to you. It have also made me like so exciting. Like I anyway, let me not just say too much, but that is a good one. That is a good one. I'm really happy for that.
Yeah,
So Any challenge, anything like you would like talks to like work on to help you improve your learning, anything like that?
Okay. I had, but I remember I told you on your DM. First of all, thing I was encountering was I was only more of researching myself. So I think I needed a video guideline because sometimes my mentor is not always really around. So sometimes you might send her a message and it will take a longer period of time. But once she's
Okay.
online, she will definitely answer. So I needed a video guide. So but I laid down that complaint to you and you did justice to that. So and for now, no problem.
Oh, the video was helpful, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Please, your just I didn't get your skill, like what you are learning, because you're supposed to like start by after introducing your name, you mention the skill you are learning, so that others will kind of like have context of where you are coming from, even though they might not really understand it. So like just for that,
O-
just tell us what you are
Okay,
learning.
okay. Let me give. My name is Wisdom Solomon. Sorry for not introducing, and I'm a business development intern
Okay.
on the tribe.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, moving over to you. My oga is here. Maverick. Have you had that? How will I even pronounce it now? Eh? You're laughing. Please tell us, oh, tell us what you have been doing though.
All right, good evening, everyone. You guys can hear me, bro?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. Yeah. Sorry, what was the question? I think I joined late. Sorry about that.
Okay, the question is what did you learn this week? What did you face like your challenge? How did you overcome them? Or do you need help in what you are currently learning? And what is the one thing you are proud of this week that you did while you are learning?
Okay. Um, I think I started like full on the course this week, and if I had any challenge, it was with the IBM stuff. Registering on the other platform. Create BKB. What was the name? So,
Okay.
but then
Mm-hmm.
all good now. I was able to do the registration and started the course for the US, started the other one for the UI, and everything has been going smoothly so far. So hopefully I will get done with two and move over to week three, so I'll be able to catch up with everyone. And everything has been good so far. And what I'm proud of this week is it regarding to the course or
Yeah,
outside?
regarding to your learning.
All right. Yeah, the course had like a different approach to UX and UI. So yeah, I did a lot of jotting down. I have my book. I had to go and look for one book, like a new book.
Okay.
Yeah, I had to look for a new book for UX and UI. So I had to jot some stuff down, and it gave me a different perspective to the way I look at design and all that. So, but yeah, thank you for the course. Everything has been good so far.
So the course was helpful. But I kind of like
Yeah,
judging from you and Ogoke, I kind of sense the starting of the course is really not straightforward. Like him, he mentioned there's a lot of redirecting and redirecting. Is this something you guys will need on another platform or another course, or you who can still manage it for now? Or you didn't have such experience?
I had the same experience with more with Allison. Allison is okay. The registration is straightforward, but with IBM,
Eh,
you have to register on another platform
wow.
where they can get your credentials and all that. So that was the issue.
Wow.
But once you are done with registration, everything is okay. You go straight to your course and all that.
Oh, wow. Okay, okay. All right, no problem. Let's just say maybe it's the registration that is not straightforward. But if any other issue comes up, don't hesitate to let me know. If it's something I need to source out for another platform, I will quickly do that in order not to have a blocker that will delay your learning. Anyway, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate your feedback and your progress. So let's move over to Jonathan. I want Mr. Kingsley to say last so that he will get settled because when he joined, his environment was a bit noisy. So, Mr. Jonathan, over to you. Please, your name and the course you are coming from.
Okay, good evening, everybody. My name is Jonathan Mando, and my stack is data analytics. So, so far for this week, I still on my mode 4 because this week was a bit slow because I had a lot of personal engagement that made me, I made it a bit unstable for me to like rely on practice. So, but I am on the model 4 and it's on data sorting and analyzing with Excel. So, so far it's been wonderful. The only challenge I have is just uh, mostly time constraints. Sometimes when my personal uh,
Okay,
dealings
can
comes
you
up,
can
I
you be
have to
audible
like.
a little? You
Can you hear me?
hair is better now. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I said I'm on the module 4 in the introduction to data analytics course,
Okay,
which is on Excel. Yeah, data sorting with Excel and analyzing.
okay,
That was really what I did this week. I had a bit of um, personal, some personal engagement that took my time, so I was unable to constantly learn like
okay,
that for this week. This week was a bit slow for me, but I think I'm done with every other thing that I'm doing. So
okay,
forge ahead in the coming week. Yeah.
okay. All right, no problem. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Keep it up. Mr. Kisla, are you settled now? Can you talk?
Yes, I'm setting now. Good
Okay, please,
evening,
your
everybody.
name and what you are
Hello?
learning. Your name, what are you learning and how far have you gone? Your challenges and all that. Just
My name, my name is Kingsley Nafiu. And because my course is still going through it. I want to go through it like two or three times so that I understand the course. But fortunately, I still make some research on YouTube.
okay.
So I'm combining it.
Do you need
Yeah.
a mentor
So
to
I'll have,
guide you on it?
yeah, that will be happy. I will be happy.
Okay, then I the mentor for you then, no problem. Thank you so much.
That's very good.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
All right.
Thank you.
So guys, thank you so much for
Sorry,
your
sorry. Before you go,
My this
okay.
project management.
Oh yeah, okay,
you
project
s-
management. No problem.
you sent a message on Slack that the member has been assigned to them before. I didn't get any
Yeah, mentors.
message.
I sent out a mentors form. A couple of person. I got one for project manager. I got one for data analyst, and I got for I already have before for business developer, but I wanted someone like to really be there for you guys more. So I got one for data analyst, um, software developer, and project management. But I am still like trying to onboard them, but hopefully by next week they should be fully onboarded. Like I'm still trying to like have a communication to them, trying to make them understand what they are coming in for and their roles and everything. So by next week you guys should get those mentors ready to be like following you guys up, challenges and everything. So that is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank
So don't know if there is any question. Okay, in aspect of none, I would say this is a great session. I'm super happy today, unlike the last two sessions we had where people did not really turn up. But today I'm super encouraged. Really happy that you guys really turn up this week. This have motivated me a lot and making me like I'm super happy. Really, really happy. So all I would say is keep up the hard work. Remember the effort you put in, the more you grow. Like the more you put in the effort, the more you grow. You might think you are just not doing anything, but no. If I should say you should start tracking your progress, you will know that somewhere yesterday you don't really have knowledge of your courses, but right now you actually know, even though not much, but a little bit of what your course is all about. And I'm really happy, I'm really, really excited, and I wish you all good luck. So feel free to DM me if you have any challenge, if your mentors couldn't help, or you need an additional resource in order to boost your learning. I'm always here to provide for you. So thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Thank God for me. Monday, Tuesday, no be work. I go sleep small. So you guys, so you guys that still have other things to do, keep doing it and still be what? At least even though it's 2 hours a day, just take your course. Okay, let me make another announcement before we go. So I'll be restructuring the learning. At least I've done for the UI/UX people. I've done for the business developer. I think it's mainly for the project manager and data analyst and the software persons. Now, what is it? What is it that in as much as you are taking your courses, which we sent you a platform for you to register, we also want to draft a roadmap. Solomon, sorry for that. Belle. That is the advantage of working with a Nigerian company that honors public holidays. I'm really, really happy. Anyway, that's by the way. So what was I saying? What I'm saying is that I'll be giving, especially the data analyst person, I'll be giving you a roadmap for you to like do based on your aside. While you are taking the course, you're also doing your own personal research and personal learning, and doing a personal what assessment, so that that is taking you away from your course and also making sure that aside that your course, you actually know what you are doing. You can actually evaluate am. Okay, I was able to do this and do that. The same with the project manager, and the same with the software. None of the software guys are here today. Hopefully next week I pray they will be here. So I'll be doing that for you. At least by Monday or latest Tuesday you should get that document. So that is it. That is how I want to structure it now. Why I want to do that is because I want that document to be used as what the community will use to evaluate you, at least from where you started to from where you end. Because those course platform which you guys register are for your own personal learning. Even though you finish your 4 months training with us, you still have those courses, even though you did not finish them, to still be taking. You still have those courses to always reference back to, in order to what, maybe there is something you learnt you did no longer remember, you can always go back there and rewatch them and know the rest of it. So that is it. So thank you so much once again.